Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to another Does It Game by Patched. This is a stupid video, but kind of funny. Alright, so what is this mouse pad?
Alright, so this is the Insignia Beach mouse pad. We picked this up at Best Buy. Insignia is their home brand. Now,
Aloha.
You can just get the plain black one for $5 if you're a boring person. But for $8, you can pick up this bad boy with this sick design. Get that beach on there. Look, you know, if you're just sitting there, you know, like me, you're a desk jockey just working away, punching numbers in, and you get this little beach mouse pad. Sort of takes you away from that office environment.
Oh my goodness.
So I'd say pick up the design for the extra $3. Worthwhile.
$8, guys. Super cheap. Gaming on a budget. Does it game? Can you game with this thing? So let's get it started off with the bottom. We have a rubberized texture, and I mean, it really
non-slip rubber texture
exactly.
On the bottom.
I mean, the traction is incredible. It picks up a little bit of dust though. Durability, I'm not sure. You know what I'm saying? Inside joke, if you guys. Anyways, all right. So we really never have a problem with the bottom of the mouse pad. You know?
Yeah. But there's no anti-fraying guards around the outside. Huge issue here. Because when I'm gaming hard on this bad boy, I'm gonna be fraying it. My fingers are gonna be going across there. It's gonna fray up.
Yes.
Big issue. Yeah. Huge issue.
Yeah.
We need some little braiding around the edges or something like that to keep this guy from fraying. Because I want this bad boy in mint condition when I'm using it for hours and hours of gaming.
That's really bad. Like the glue that they use on this, I'm just going like this with my finger and like it's looking like it's fraying. Like, oh my gosh, really bad.
Yeah, frays immediately. You can put your finger over it once.
Yeah, so definitely not very durable. As far as the cushion goes, I mean, no, there's really no cushion to it.
It's a pretty thin mouse pad, to be honest.
Not very comfortable, and when you play, oh my god! All right, so, so the surface, it looks pretty similar to the Thor mouse pad.
Yeah, it actually feels pretty. It feels like it would be fast.
It feels pretty. It feels pretty fast. It's not bad, which is interesting. But obviously the size of this mouse pad is the issue. So this mouse pad, let's measure this thing. This is 8.5 inches wide by basically 7.5 inches long. And yeah,
that's a pretty tiny mouse pad. I gotta be honest with you.
Look at this.
I was trying to game on it, and you just have to pick up your mouse.
Go like this. Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, if you're typing in some spreadsheets at work, you know, and then you need to bang out some Halo games, some Team Slayer real quick, throw your gaming mouse on this bad boy and just get chipping away. You're just gonna be picking up the mouse a lot more.
Yes.
You know.
Yeah, and obviously, if someone's like really moving and stuff, you're gonna run out of mouse pad.
Yeah. See, but so here's the thing, it's possible, but not optimal.
Yes.
And possible is all we care about.
Oh, okay. All right. I mean, it's not bad though. I mean, the surface is actually not that bad. It's I would say normal, you know, like it's not super fast or anything, but obviously if you're going for like control, then it's good, you know? But I mean, does it game? That is the question.
You know what?
It does.
I'd say it does.
I mean, it sucks that the size sucks, and then the fraying is really, really bad. So I feel like, you know, if you're playing with this, oh my god, yeah, that's really, really bad.
Yeah, and like here's the thing. Like you could totally game on this. It would suck to have to game on this, but you can do it. It's not a bad mouse pad.
Yes. Yes. Like some of the other things, like the small Logitech mouse, you can't game with it. 100, you can't game with it, you know? But this, you can make it work, which is kind of interesting. So if you're trying to save money, $5 and this $8 one with this really cool beach print, go ahead and cop.
Man, that's what I'm saying. Best Buy needs to hop on this, make a bigger version of this bad boy with a bigger beach scene, get that panoramic view.
I kind of want to get a bigger, if they have a bigger one, I kind of want to get one and see if it actually works.
It'd be hilarious, dude.
God, dude.
I love this. It was one of those things where we were like just shopping around. I saw this, I audibly laughed. Like not just like blowing a little extra air out of my nose, like I genuinely laughed when I saw this.
Yes.
And I was like, we have to do it. We have to do it. Does it game?
Yes. So it does game. Not very well, but it does. So that's pretty surprising. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
See you in the next one.